Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today I'll be revealing the teaser of a lovely luxury segment project which is called Sapphire Springs by GRC, which is located in Gotigere off Bannerghatta Road in south of Bangalore. So in this teaser video, I'll be covering the project overview, the location, the amenities, the area, the booking process and interesting launch offers and discounts. Now let me give you the project overview. GRC Sapphire Springs will be constructed across a land parcel of 10 acres consisting of 8 towers. Each of these towers will have basement, ground floor and 14 floors comprising of 2 BHK and 3 BHK luxury residences. Now coming to the location, GRC Sapphire Springs is located on Gotigere Lake Road, Gotigere off Bannerghatta Road, South Bangalore. As you can see, it's a lovely neighborhood which is about 5 minutes away from the Gotigere metro station and 25 minutes away from the major IT tech parks, 5 minutes away from Nice Ring Road and about 25 minutes away from the Bannerghatta Vega City Mall and 20 minutes away from the Bannerghatta Forest Zone, thus giving you good air to breathe. Now coming to the amenities, GRC Sapphire Spring boasts of 40 plus luxury amenities which includes the clubhouse, swimming pool, amphitheatre, basketball court, etc. The GRC Sapphire Springs are ultra luxury segment apartments which boast of 80% green view without compromising on quality or comfort or space. These apartments are also Vastu compliant and located close to some of the major IT hubs and commercial developments. Now let's find out about the built-up area and floor plan of the 2 BHK and 3 BHK luxury residences. The 2 BHK luxury residences has a super built-up area of 1,215 square feet. So the 3 BHK plus 2T has a super built-up area of close to 1,505 square feet and the 3 BHK plus 3T has a super built-up area of 1,635 square feet. And now coming to the booking process, if you would like to visit the site, when the site is open for visiting, you can contact our sales team and our sales team is going to assist you with the booking process. The sales team is going to give you the pricing and payment options available. The sales team is also going to assist you with the banking options that are available. And if you are among the first 50 customers who are going to do a site visit and take a site allotment, then you can avail the exciting launch offers and discounts. So this was a teaser of the GRC Sapphire Springs located on the Gotigere Lake Road, Gotigere off Bannerghatta Road, South Bangalore. And if you want to understand more details about this property, you can click on the link mentioned below and download the e-brochure or understand the pricing and the payment options available. Our international clients as in our NRI clients can also click on the link mentioned below and register with us to understand more details about the project. So if you like this project and want to see more such interesting projects, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.